What is Tesla Model S service mode? Service mode is a diagnostic tool used primarily by technicians for troubleshooting, software updates, and repairs on the Tesla Model S. It provides access to advanced settings, error logs, and calibration functions, bypassing the standard user interface. Entering service mode is typically done by service technicians, but may be accidentally activated or needed to be exited after a service visit. Exiting service mode correctly is crucial to prevent unintended vehicle behavior. Failure to do so can result in disabled safety features, stuck modes where the car might not accelerate or respond to inputs, or other operational issues. A safe exit ensures all systems function properly and avoids potential hardware or software conflicts. Follow these steps to safely exit service mode on your Tesla Model S. First, make sure your Tesla Model S is safely parked and in park mode. The vehicle must be completely stationary before proceeding. Next, press and hold the brake pedal firmly for 3 to 5 seconds. This duration may vary slightly depending on your software version. As an alternative method, if the exit button appears on your touchscreen, simply tap it to exit service mode. Finally, after using either method, the vehicle will perform a brief reboot and return to normal operation. Starting with Tesla software version 2024.2 and later, you can use the Tesla mobile app to remotely exit service mode. This provides a convenient alternative to the brake pedal method, especially useful when the vehicle's touchscreen is unresponsive. First, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged in with your Tesla account. Next, navigate to the Vehicle Controls section within the app. This is typically found in the main menu or controls area. Then, look for the Exit Service Mode option. Tap it to remotely command the vehicle to exit service mode. This remote exit feature was introduced to make the process easier and safer, reducing the need for physical access to the vehicle. After exiting service mode on your Tesla Model S, it's crucial to perform a quick self-test to ensure all systems are functioning correctly. Start by checking that all instrument cluster lights illuminate during startup, and then turn off as expected during normal operation. Next, verify that essential features are responsive. Test the brakes by gently pressing the pedal to ensure proper response and no unusual behavior. Check the lights by activating the headlights and turn signals to confirm they work correctly. Finally, test the steering by turning the wheel gently to ensure smooth and responsive handling. If you notice any unusual behavior, such as non-responsive controls, warning lights that don't clear, or any other issues, contact Tesla support immediately through the app or by calling their service line to prevent potential safety concerns. If your Tesla Model S fails to exit service mode, here are some troubleshooting steps to try. First, ensure the brake pedal is fully depressed and held for the correct duration. On newer software, this is typically 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure the vehicle is in park mode and stationary. If the first step doesn't work, try restarting the touchscreen. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for about 10 seconds. This forces a soft reset of the display system. For a more thorough reset, power cycle the vehicle by disconnecting the 12-volt battery. Always consult Tesla's official documentation for your specific model before attempting this, as improper disconnection can cause issues. If the problem still persists after these steps, contact Tesla service for assistance. Tesla's recent software updates, version 2025.44.x and later, include enhanced security protocols to prevent unauthorized access to service mode. The vehicle now prompts for confirmation after 30 seconds and auto-exits after 5 minutes of inactivity if entered without technician credentials. These safeguards minimize risks associated with accidental or malicious entries. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving toward centralized diagnostics through cloud integration, with Tesla at the forefront. This approach allows for over-the-air software updates and remote troubleshooting, resolving 85% of issues without physical visits. AI-assisted diagnostics are emerging as a key trend, leveraging data from service mode logs to predict vehicle failures before they occur. This involves collecting data, analyzing it, building predictive models, deploying them and continuously improving accuracy. Looking ahead, future service mode iterations may incorporate biometric authentication, such as using your phone's unlock to access diagnostics, and blockchain-verified exits to enhance security against tampering. This data sharing process ensures secure, tamper-proof records. These advancements will significantly reduce the need for physical service visits, making Tesla diagnostics more efficient and secure by 2030.